Now we're going to take a look at multiple take recording, or how to punch in here. And in order to do that, we're going to start where we left off with the same little jazz version of Mary Had a Little Lamb. We're going to take this last male R&B vocals track that we did, and we're going to duplicate that just so we can have a track to play with. And then we're going to go up and mute the two that we've already recorded. And then we're going to go down to our computer keyboard and we're going to hit the letter C. And look at the very top of the screen. When I hit the letter C, you'll see a little yellow box appears. That yellow box is movable. You can put it anywhere you want to. This is the area that we're going to record. You can also make it as long as you want to. And I am, just for the heck of it, to make it easy, going to make it 4 bars long. And now we're going to do a few takes on this, 4 bars long. We're just it's gonna loop over and over and over again, and we're just gonna do a different take every time. I'm not actually gonna sing. I'm gonna sort of make noises and count, so we'll be able to tell what we're doing here. Take 1. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, boop, boopy-dooby-doo, scoop-boopy-doo, boo. Take 2. Ba-doo-boo-wah, Scooby-Doo-ba-doo-boo-be-doo-doo-doo-doo. Take 3. Ba-boo-ba, ba-doo-ba-doo-boo, ba-doo-boo, ba-doo-boo, ba-doo-ba. Take 4. Ba-doo-wah, Scooby-Doo, ba-doo-boo, ba-doo-ba. Okay, so we did 4 takes, and if you'll look right here in the upper left-hand corner of that track, you'll see the number 4, because that's the number of takes we did. Now, if we want to go back and play any of those, it keeps all 4 of them. It doesn't overwrite them. It keeps all 4 of them, or as many as you want to do, and you can go back and use the one you want. For example, if we're going to hear number 1, take 1. Okay, now if you want to hear, for example, track 4, we're going to go back and hit the 4, and we will play that, and you can tell. First of all, I'm going to pan this to the center so that it's not all on the right side. Take 4. Take 4. Now let us assume for a moment that we want to use a part of take 1 and a part of take 4. Let's say the first 1 measure and 1 beat we want to use take 1, and the rest of it we want to use take 4. What we're going to do is take the playhead, that's this thing right here, and we're going to move it to the spot that we want to split it, which is, let's say, the first beat of measure 2. Now we can either go to edit and we can choose split, or we can hit Command T. It does the same thing. And you can tell that the track has been split. Now if we want to use take 1 for the first and take 4, which is already there, for the last one, this is not going to make any sense when you play it back, but you can take 1. And then it's going to split to take 4. It's a very interesting way to do some editing, pretty exact way to do some editing that you might need at some point. Suppose you want to start your recording somewhere other than at the beginning of the piece. That's easy to do. Just take your little yellow strip here, put it wherever you want it. Let's say, for the example right now, we want to start at measure 5. And let's see, we only want to record for 1 measure here. So we can make that smaller. We can make it any size we want to. If we put our playhead right here on 5 and then hit the red button, you're not going to hear 4 clicks. What you're going to hear is the 4 bars or the 4 beats of the song before this. And then you can start recording when you get to this part. And as you can tell, it recorded roughly, well, 2 takes of that one bar and about 1 note of a 3rd take. So that's the way you do multiple take recording in GarageBand.